Hello everyone. So we have 10 raised to power s plus 10 raised to power s plus 10 raised to power s all over 5 raised to power s plus 5 raised to power s equals to 100. So let's solve together by saying solution. So if we have 10 raised to power s, we can factor it out from each of the term. That is to say 10 raised to power s. 10 raised to power s divided by 10 raised to power s will be 1. 10 raised to power s divided by 10 raised to power s will be 1. Plus 10 raised to power s divided by 10 raised to power s also will be 1. All over, factor out 5 raised to power s. 5 raised to power s divided by 5 raised to power s will be 1. Plus 5 raised to power s divided by 5 raised to power s also will be 1 equals to 100. And this is written as 10 raised to power s over 5 raised to power s. 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3 over 2 is equal to 100. So if we do this, we'll have, remember, a raised to power x over b raised to power s is same as a over b raised to power s. So we can write as 10 over 5 raised to power s times 3 over 2 is equals to 100. So this becomes 2s times 3 over 2 equals to 100. And here we can divide both sides by 3 over 2. So we have 2 raised to power x is equals to 100 times 2 over 3. And this becomes 2 raised to power x, 100 times 2, 200 all over 3. So we take the log of both sides to base 10, that is to say log 2 raised to power x is equals to log 200 over 3. But log a raised to power s is same thing as s log a. So the power will come down to multiply the log. So this power will be x log 2 is equals to log 200 over 3. Also, log a over b is equals to log a minus log b. So we fit it here. So x log 2 will be equals to log 200 minus log 3. So we divide both sides by log 2. We have x log 2 over log 2 is equals to log 200 over log 2 minus log 3 over log 2. Here, log 2 we cancel out, left with x equals to log 200 over log 2 minus log 3 over log 2. And also log a over log b same as log a base b. So we fit it here and here. So our s will become log 200 base 2 minus log 3 base 2. But 200 can be written as 8 times 25. 8 is 2 raised to power 3 and 25 is 5 raised to power 2. So our s will become log 2 raised to power 3 times 5 raised to power 2 base 2 minus log 3 base 2. And s is equals to log 2 base 3 plus log 5 power 2 base 2 minus log 3 base 2. So we can write as s equals to, this power will come down, 3 log 2 base 2 plus this power will come down, 2 log 5 base 2 minus log 3 base 2. And log a base a is equal to 1. So here x equal to 3 times 1 plus 2 log 5 base 2 minus log 3 base 2. And r is equals to 3 plus 2 log 5 base 2 minus log 3 base 2. These are value for s. To verify, we have original equation as 10 raised to power s plus 10 raised to power s plus 10 raised to power s over 5 raised to power s plus 5 raised to power s equals to 100. And we solved it to 2 raised to power s equals to 200 over 3. So in place of s, we substitute this value, and our 2 becomes 3 plus 2 log 5 base 2 minus log 3 base 2 is it equals to 200 over 3. So here, this will be 2 power 3 times 2 log 5 power 2 base 2. The power goes up, divided by 2 log 3 base 2 is it equals to 200 over 3. Recall that a log b base a is equal to b. This cancels out and to be b. So here, 2 will cancel out log 2 base 2, and 2 will cancel out log 2 base 2. It will be left with 2 raised to power 3 and 5 raised to power 2 and 3. So if we bring that out, it will be 2 raised to power 3 times 5 raised to power 2 over 3 is it equal to 200 over 3. And this is 8 times 25. 5 raised to power 2 is 25. 3 is it equals to 200 over 3. And obviously 8 times 25 is 200 over 3 is equal to 200 over 3. So the value of s equals to 3 plus 2 log 5 base 2 log 3 base 2 satisfy the equation and is very correct. Thank you for staying tuned. Bye bye.